Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. My name is Pragati Mishra and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. Yes, it's very late today. I'm recording this video. Actually, I'm a college student and today was my practical. My dear friends, but I didn't skip my practice. That's why I'm here with you. You know what? Whenever we try to speak English, so many times at the beginning, we try to translate our all the thinkings in our native language, then into English. But it creates a lot of confusion and sometimes it creates chaos. Yes, of course, it delays our conversations also, but in spite of these, so many times we believe that we are doing it for the perfection so that we can speak in English very perfectly. But believe me, whenever you are trying, ready to make mistakes. So in my today's video, I will show you that how you can think directly in English because we have to reduce our time in thinking to conversation to speak fastly. So it's 7:45 in evening. In my today's video, I'm gonna tell you what are the methods through which we can think in English directly. Okay, so let's start this today's video. My dear friends, whenever we try to think in English directly, at that time we should focus on the things we are surrounded by. Whatever the things are, we should try to think them in English. For example, I am surrounded by bottle, pillow, table, books, pens, door, clothes. Like this, we should think the objects in English. Okay, this was the method number one. The method number two is action. My dear friends, whatever we are doing in our daily task, we should think them in English. We should describe, talk to yourself, and try to express them in English. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm recording this video. I'm going to comb my hair. Like this. Whatever you are doing, describe your actions. Okay. This will absolutely help you to think in English whenever you start conversation with anyone. At that time, it will definitely help you. Now, the step number 3 is always try to speak in simple English. Instead of waiting for the perfect English, we should try to speak in simple English. Use simple words, whatever you can, and try to describe whatever you want to describe. In actually, there are a lot of time we avoid the situations and we like don't open our mouth. This is the fear of speaking the wrong English. Okay, and it can be improved only when we start the practice. We have to remove our hesitation and it will take place only when we try to speak. Even our English is like tutti frutti English, but we have to open our mouth. We have to start speaking even very simple words. So this was the method number 3. Now let's move to the method number 4. The method number 4 is very simple. What we have to do is, when you are free, try to pick out the vocabulary learnings, 5 vocabs daily. Okay, then at that time that 5 vocab should be repeated by you in your daily household chores. For example, I'm doing my daily routine. I'm doing my daily routine. So daily routine means the simple task which we perform daily. So this can be replaced by the word chores, chores. Like this, you have to learn 5 vocabs daily and repeat them. Try to use them. These methods are very simple, but we all know it's very simple, but we have to apply it. When we gonna apply it, then only we can see the result. So only 4 methods you have to follow. You have to just prove it and see the result. One day we all will be fluent in English. whosoever wants to get fluency. We all are doing hard work, but do just what I'm telling because I am doing the same. That's why I'm sharing. You have to just follow these methods. These are very short, and through this, you can directly think in English. So, my dear friends, this was for today's video, and let's meet in another video. Till then, take care, keep moving forward, and bye bye.